Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about passive income ideas that you can get started with so you can stop trading your time for money. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about a few different passive income ideas that you can start using so you can stop trading your time for money. So if you're watching this video, then chances are you're looking to make more money. And maybe you're looking to quit your regular 9-to-5 job and start making a full-time income passively. And if you're interested in my personal recommendation on how to make a full-time income online through a passive income, then you can check out the link in the top of the description. Okay, so with that being said, let me just get right into this video. So let me first start by explaining what a passive income is. So a passive income is where you take the time and put in the work to create a product or service one time, and you can make a passive income or a residual income by selling that same product or service over and over and over again. Now, the majority of people are usually making an active income, meaning they're trading their time for money. So when you go to your job, you're usually trading your time for money. You work your 8 hours and then you get paid the same amount no matter how hard you work. Now, I know this can be a little bit discouraging for people, and I think that's why most people hate the job that they're at, because it doesn't matter how hard they work, they're getting paid the same amount. Now, when it comes to earning a passive income, I don't want you guys to get it confused. It's not that you just create a product or a service one time and then you sit back and you just watch the money start to roll in. In order for you to start earning a passive income, it's going to take time, and you also have to be active in order to start earning a passive income. Now, what do I mean by that? You have to actively promote your product or service that you're selling. If you created an online course, which is one of the examples I'm going to talk about later on in this video, you need to actively be promoting your online course. You need to be going on Facebook and giving value, promoting your course. You need to be running ads. You need to be creating YouTube videos where you're creating videos related to the course that you're promoting. So you need to be actively promoting your product or service in order to start earning a passive income. Okay, so with that being said, let me talk about a few different methods that you can use to earn a passive income. So as I just mentioned, online courses is a great way to earn a passive income. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, I think you can. So an online course is a great way to earn a passive income because you just need to create a course one time, and all you have to do is just get people to enroll into your course. So if you have a certain skill or particular knowledge in a certain area, and you know people would be willing to learn that skill or knowledge, then you can make money this way. So first, what you would do is create your course about whatever you want to teach people. Now, since this is an online course, it is going to be video based. So if you're not comfortable being on camera, there's other alternatives that you can do. For example, you can screen record your computer screen and then just record your voice over that, where you're explaining or showing somebody how to do something step by step. But I would recommend just being on camera because people have more of a personal connection with you when they see who they're talking to or where they see who's talking to them. So once you record your course, usually most people who host online courses, they record their course in video segments, kind of like a playlist of where you're showing somebody how to do something step by step. So once you do that, you're going to go to a website called teachable.com, and this is where you're going to upload your course. So it's pretty simple to get started with Teachable. You first have to sign up to become a teacher. Once you do that, you upload your course, and then you set the price that you want to charge for people to enroll into your course, and then you have to get people to actually enroll into your course. And once they do, then that's when you make money. Now, the reason why this is a great way to earn a passive income is because you created a course one time and you can have an unlimited amount of people enroll into your course. So let's say, for example, you have 10 people enroll into your course in a month and you're charging $200 for people to enroll into it. Those 10 people are gonna make you $2,000 in a month, which is not bad for a course that you created one time. So if you think you'd be a great teacher where you can show people how to do something step by step, then this would be a great way for you to make money online. Now the second method that you can do is by selling stock photos. So if you're a photographer or if you like taking professional looking pictures, then this might be a great way for you to earn a passive income. So if you ever go on the internet and you do a Google image search for any kind of picture, most likely you've seen pictures that have a watermark over those. If you want to use those pictures without the watermarks, you would have to pay for the rights to use that photo. So what you would do, if you like taking professional looking pictures, is you would go to a website called Shutterstock.com, and you're gonna sign up to become a contributor. And then once you do that, you start uploading your pictures onto Shutterstock, and anybody who wants to use your picture without the watermark, they're gonna have to pay for the royalties in order to use your picture. And then that's when you make a commission. Now most people who buy stock photos on Shutterstock, they buy photos that have nature scenery, sports, of people, and business. So if you can get great looking photos of these categories, then you can definitely earn a passive income with Shutterstock. And the best part about it is that you can sell the same photo to multiple people as long as they're willing to buy the rights to use your photo. And Shutterstock is not just limited to photos. You can also upload your own vector art, your own stock footage, and I believe your own music. So if you know how to create any of these services or products, then you can definitely make money by using Shutterstock. Now the last method that I want to talk about is through affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you're promoting somebody else's product online through a specific link that's coded to you. So whenever somebody clicks on your link and they purchase that product, then you would make a commission. So in order for you to create a passive income using affiliate marketing, you would have to create content that's based on the niche that you're in. So for example, if you're in the weight loss niche and you're promoting an affiliate product, which is a weight loss supplement, you should be creating content that's related to the weight loss niche. Maybe like videos where you're showing people how to burn extra body fat, where you're teaching people how to eat right, and also different health supplements that they can use to lose weight. And then you would give them a call to action by promoting the weight loss supplement that you're promoting as an affiliate product. So the way that you would earn a passive income like this is by, let's say for example, you're creating YouTube videos where you're talking about the best 5 weight loss supplements. You should be creating content on a consistent basis to promote that affiliate product. And over time, when you're delivering value and addressing a problem that the people in your niche are having, you're gonna start to build up an audience. And when you do that, they're gonna start to gain trust among you. And the more people that can relate to the message that you're putting out there and that trust you, the more likely they are to buy from you. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, this is more of a long-term game plan. This isn't something that's gonna make you rich overnight. This is something that you should be dedicated and focused on in the long term. So it's important to pick a niche that you're gonna be passionate about and that you know you're gonna be doing for the long term. But when it comes to creating content, in order to promote an affiliate product, you don't have to only upload YouTube videos. You can go with blogging, you can go with a podcast, you can post on Facebook or Instagram. Just pick one platform that you want to focus on and stick with it. And this is how you're gonna create a passive income with affiliate marketing. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed these methods when it comes to making a passive income online. And hopefully you take action with the information that I gave you. And if you enjoyed this video or learned something from it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about these methods. And if you want to see more videos like this, where I also talk about different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to go down and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.